Hey everyone, Sky here with BigBattery. We're back with second generation upgrades for your golf and utility carts. With the same compact design and even more powerful specs, you'll be amazed at what this battery can do on and off the golf course. Of course, I'm talking about our 48-volt BADGER2. A single Badger weighs only 36 pounds, but packs a sizable 2.1 kilowatt hours of capacity inside. And if you upgrade with our 4Badger kit, you could have over 8 kilowatt hours of reliable lithium power at the ready, all while saving space in your cart's battery bank and cutting a third of the weight or more. Plus, the Badger is uniquely equipped to operate safely and reliably within a wide temperature range. So whether it's a chilly winter or the heat of summer, you can be confident that your cart will be performing at its best when and where you need it to. So if you're looking for better range from your cart and faster acceleration, all at an unbeatable price per kilowatt hour, the BADGER2 is your answer. And as always, it requires zero maintenance, it's easily installed, it's made right here in the US, and it's guaranteed to be the lowest cost battery in its class available today. To get a closer look at the BADGER2, check out the link in the description below. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. And come see us at BigBattery.com to learn more about our energy solutions.